Get set, go! All right, grade 2 girls. Grade 2 girls.
Yeah, guys, that's my son in the yellow. Proud of him. Last year he ran and come third. And I told him that don't give up. Work hard. Because I know he could have win a race. He just said ease up. See it now? 2 gold medal. Proud of him. You don't know. Hope another one can win some race too. So anyway, guys, big up on yourself. Welcome to the boss with another video. Put a like and leave a comment and let me know what you think about this. Alright, so here we're going. We're going to piece of the life and last night. But I'm going to get to something serious now. Big lady will come on from America. She caused a big stir right now. A whole heap of man reach out to me. A man tell me this. A man tell me, oh, American woman reach them. A man give me a story. Some man I said this. Guys, amount of replies and voice note I have to play tonight. But anyway, I could listen to the story with the brother here. Similar thing reaching with American woman. And he just want the Jamaican man then to learn and hear. I could drive and listen.
Yes, mix up. Jano, that one day, with the woman I say, oh man, for compare mortgage and all them things there. Jano, I have to touch up on that one day. Because the man them will come on and attack and I tell you certain things. Them not really understand about Yankee. I can't tell you about Yankee because it hit home when it come to me. Because I lose my brother through Yankee. You understand? Let me tell you about Yankee woman, bro. And that, alright, out of the 100, only 2% of them good. And the 2% of them were good. Most of the time, they was raised with a mother and a father. So, them value relationship and they will do whatever it takes to make it work for grow them black family, brother. You understand? So, I'll give them that 2% of them girl that were good. You see, this one that will come and contact. A peer field she attack, brother. You know what happened to she? Let me tell you what happened to she. She come here. Let me tell you what happened to she. One of them idiot from Jamaica come America with our same concept. Because you know when we live at Jamaica and we have a woman, we take care of a woman, worse if we have a woman live. You understand? When we come in on Friday daytime, we put on the money on the dresser top, like what we see our grandfather or our father used to do. We put on the money on the dresser top and our mother or our grandmother would take the money to our little partner, go shop and do our little thing. Because back in them time, they you know say, mama used to run the house. You understand? So most of us Jamaicans who raised like that, when we come here, we tend to take them and treat them the same way. And that is so wrong. Because yes, so in a work, so everybody have to pull them weight, my lord. Truth be told, everybody have to pull them weight. And you hear she attack, she catch one Jamaican already. We used to take care of everything.
If we don't reach this far in the video, like the video and comment. Alright? We have a whole heap more. Remember the single people in the last part of the video. So fly on a match. I could continue listen.
That's why she attack like that, or she catch one foreign man from the Caribbean or somewhere. We used to do all of what she has say. Man fi do. You understand? Because guess what? The average American man don't pay bills. Me can't tell you that. I'm going to tell you off of experience. I was a superintendent, my lord. You know what a superintendent does? A superintendent is a person who is responsible for a building. That everything that broke down in those apartments, I am the one who is responsible to get it fixed or have someone fix it. Whether I have 2 or 3 people who work for me or with me. You understand? If 10B, something is broken in there, I have to find somebody to say, okay, the toilet or the faucet in the kitchen is not working. Tom, go and take care of 10A or 10B. You understand? So with that said, me get for there around these people. 10 years worth of experience me have. Me get for there around these people so me know them. You understand? The average American man no pay bills, my lord. Me say about 98% of them, the man them. Most of them and the woman have to go work and pay everything. That me I tell you. So when you hear them, when you hear she tell you, say, oh, we if you compare the whole of the mortgage and this and that, lie. Tell me and tell her that, brother. And at the same thing catch my brother. That's why I hear me and tell her this now. It happened to my brother, bro. My brother was living in California. Him woman filed for him from Jamaica. You understand? But guess why the woman filed for him? At the time, we never know. The 100 hour going. The woman used to take care of him and send whole heap of things come give him back in Jamaica before he come to America. But the woman did have a goal at hand when nobody never know. Because here what happened now. The woman friend did find a Jamaican. Was a brilliant youth and him come here and he excel. So him used to take care of that woman. You understand? Because he could afford to take care of his wife and nothing is wrong with that. You understand? So this brother, you know, him come to America and take care of him woman and Ray. Stuff like that now. So my brother wife now sees that and realize that, oh, American man not take care of them. So me I go to Jamaica go look a man. So I go to Jamaica and go find my brother. So when he bring my brother now, come here so now. No, my brother grow sheltered. I mean all of us grow sheltered. But me is a Rasta. So me was more in the street and me was more smarter. You understand? So when my brother come here, my brother don't really understand certain things. So my brother come here and work and I do the same thing. I take care of the whole of the bills. And Mark, you know, this woman is a financial controller for a big place, you know, brother. So she make good money, you know, when you take a stop. And my brother pay the whole of the mortgage. And I do everything. So when me fly up now and me come here now, I'm going to go so boop, I'm going to link the man. Because then time they know, me I circle the whole foreign. Because I know the whole of foreign. So when I hear some guy talk, me just listen to them. I can't count the few states them when I don't know. Because me's a man, me's a road man. So when I come so boop, I'm come here now, I'm come to Cali and I say, alright, I'm going to spend some time, brother, and see if I can find a one cat if he do something for me. Because me want to line up myself because I never come straight like him. So I'm going to check him. I'm going to dip on him ends and rare. One day, you know, reasoning with brother and rare. And I tell me what I go and boom, bang, bing. And I say, I live good too. Nice place, bad vehicle and boom, bang, bing. So I'm get frightened too, you know. Then I know, so one day I did it. And I search now, nothing, you know, brother, but me looking at the place, you know. It's like me not throw something in the garbage and me see the mortgage statement in the garbage, you know, brother. Out of curiosity, me take you up and look, because they live in a nice gated, so me I say, me look on the mortgage and me look on the mortgage. You know, say, the woman I tell the man, say, half of the mortgage, him a pay, you know, when you take a stop, you know, brother, the man a pay the whole of the mortgage, you know. So like the mortgage was $1,400, you know. The woman I tell him say $2,800, you know. So him a give half, you know, which is 14, where him a feel say him a pay half and she a pay half, you know, brother. Tricky woman, tricky me, you know. And me spot to her go on, you know, and me show the man and say, Ray, you know. Boom bang, you know. And me I say, yo, my youth, when you get your boom bang, you know, cut off a cut come a New York, you know, because you know nobody around us, you know. And he murdered me off. As my brother, he murdered me off, and I say, oh, I match up him thing. And I cut left him. Yeah, I cut left him and come back around and so car around and so the whole of me and brother and sister and everybody around and so I said, cut back come around and so. But true, me and him grow together, you know, in the same house. Me want to get closer to him. So I just cut and come back from, you know, the East Coast and Ray. Then I know, say, some little things go down and the woman throw him out, bro. Yeah. Look, woman throw him out because guess what? He not produce like the other friend. You understand? And woman is a high profile woman, so I figure more or less that the man will now come here, go back to school, do some more little things and start produce like the other friend. Because the other friend is a man who educated and him go back in the pilot thing and start fly some little small plane and rare. And I do good for himself. So he can afford to take care of his wife then we there. So true it ain't happen like that for she now. And drop the man on him face. Throw out the man, brother. After the man put in the whole of that. I take care of everything. Throw out the man. Licking crankshaft, you know, brother. When me I say licking crankshaft, my brother is not the same. My brother out there live on the street. My lord, the way it affect the man. And my next little soldier call me. And I make me know, say, yo, I'm to Ray. And me I say, what go on? Because a man when I call and link. And me I say, no, sir. I say, Mr. Fox, I go send you a food, get him a ticket and fly him, make him come over here, so. Because by this time now, I have my own place now. You understand? Rental apartment and stuff like that when I do for myself. Own things. So I say, yo, I can't make my brother suffer out there. So right now, my brother live with me and my brother is not the same, bro. Because of them people. So no man can't tell me nothing. When it come to when it come to them kind of people, brother. You understand? And when I tell her this, brother, I tell her this between me and you. I don't really want you to put out them thing out the road still. You see me, just show you how them people stay, my lord. A Yankee man, nah, mind a Yankee woman, nah, come in, come give him, pay no mortgage, no pay bills, bro. They don't. The woman alone have to work and mind them. Seriously. And the story goes on, man. Me can't tell you on and on and on and on and on and on. Enough Jamaican man come here, come fall victim and turn worthless for them. Because they're frightened. Yeah, man, I don't even look for Yankee when I see them, you know. I don't advise any yard man where I come here, so. Don't take one of them black American there. You better go deal with a Caucasian brother. Because them a deal with love and togetherness and family. As much as all them want to talk about them. Believe me, my lord. Me I tell you this between me, you and I. Me not tell you if you put it out, brother. Me just give you understanding how I go on with them people. And the story goes on, man. Me can't tell you a whole heap of story, brother. 10 years experience me have when me live in a... Me live and work in the same building. That building consists of 100 and something apartment. And me responsible for anything we broke, anything we broke down, anything we want to fix, and me responsible for. So me I tell you half experience because me there around them for years, 10 years. What I experience until me move and go get my own shit. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Mix up, boss, bro. Me take down the number for the program, see? But me is a late bloomer to the program because I realize I do this thing for a while. You see me? But because me always listen to some other blogger feel like keep up with what going on in the yard and them kind of thing there. You see me? You show up now in the algorithm and me take in a couple of your program them, share some of them with my wife or something. Because I say, them are sitting here people I got you a foreign dog. You see me? So me and my wife even reason more a couple of them and thing when we have time we listen to them together and kind of with it. I listen to the program for probably about like, I'm not telling you like, probably about 2 weeks now. But I realize that your program is like, it's a cut to the chase program, which a lot of the things is not a chase per se. I realize a lot of crucial details I get left out of the something them where it would have really help a lot of people, especially the younger, because I know that in a younger crowd. See, I mean, I'm in my late 30s. So I say, it would have saved a lot of youth with the immigration process where me go through personally. You see me, some certain things, I mean, know some of the intricate details, some of the ins and outs, bro. Where a lot of man them know, I realize say a lot of the man them I learn about it in the hard way because me tell say yo, me just listen to the black American girl, the little wild dog. Where I say to her, I say boy, even if you make less money than her, you have to pay a mortgage. And then she say yo, if you have kids and you use her body for reproduce and then kind of thing there, you have to come out and rent your own place and them stay in the house. And if she make good money and she good, she not remarry, so she not take care of all the money. Me I say, Jaja, God. Listen me, bro. But a whole heap of things, man. A whole heap of things, like you see, building credit and then kind of thing there. Like even joining the military as a way out. And certain things where you get access to by joining the military and them kind of thing there. But me hear a couple man on the program mention a thing where say, yo, the right partner, don't rush because it's the right partner, the wrong partner we break you in a foreign country and the right partner we make you. Because as we already established and we realize that foreign, a family country, a family they support over your straight, brother. You see me, them people, them now worship single life. Family. You understand? Because when you have family and you reproduce people, when you reproduce people and you have children, You see me? Because majority of people in America, like in a foreign country, them born in a debt, based on like the GDP and the export of the country and trade deficit and then kind of thing there. So you're born owing tax. You understand? So they want people, based on them, they want to reproduce slaves then. You understand? To come build up the country. So them not deal with single life, bro. Family. And as we say, one hand can't clap. You understand? But you have to learn to weave your way out because there are certain things you can do. You understand? There are certain ways you can make it. But one of them days more than me, I have to hold a reasoning. But my reasoning would have to probably lock off like probably about an hour, bro. Like, me tell you about really my experience coming to America with the wife what me have. And then kind of thing there, to kind of like, so you can keep and kind of put out it so that a man can have a little bit more education. Because you see, credit is your life in America because most things don't have a credit. You understand? So even to establish credit or to build credit, you see me say you can qualify for like even a cell phone, everything you run your credit or foreign van. Important say you need to protect your credit. You understand? To get a car, you go run your credit, house, run your credit, like you understand, even for married to somebody who have good credit, because a lot of time they take it 200 credit score, them and average them out to see where you can qualify for. So there are a lot of things, a whole heap of things, but as you know, it's a woman country, but as a man, you have to be super smart, you have to know certain details about the system, you understand, and it can make foreign there for everybody. You can make your over your brother. Because that's the thing that I think with foreign different from Jamaica. Jamaica is a little place. And everywhere you go in a Jamaica, like say, you live a man level and you move to St. Thomas in our community. Everybody in the community want to know you, want to know about you, and want to know where you come from. You understand? I want to know your business and then kind of thing there. In America, you can move from one state. If nothing going for you in New York, you can move to Texas. You understand? Nobody no business with them. You just get up on your go work and you just do what you do. Like, the place so big, you can go anywhere, go weave out one little part to yourself and do your thing there so. You see me? And make it, build something back a yard. Whatever the case is what you want to do, bro. That's I think what me personally rate about foreign. It's big. Nobody no watch people. Nobody no time to mind people business over there. So, you see me? So, the voice what you get too long to. But one of the day, me and your whole like a different type of reasoning. You see what I say? You can tell them my story, and then like me and you can have like a different type of reason to kind of like show some of the man and the ins and outs of certain things. Because you see when you're not educated about certain things, brother, it hurt you in a foreign country because the people who are born here, when know the system, and just so they take advantage of the immigrant. You see me? Yeah.
Boy, I mean, nah, lie. First, we say so much, man. I counteract something with a woman say on my show. Yo, the girl, she can come back on the show tomorrow night or Sunday, she say. So, in the brace on myself again, man, I first. One woman come on the show, contact, and he had to pull it on my head. Anyway, I can listen to the call here, and then we move on to the single part. I can listen.
MIXUP last. You're live right now, right?
Live and direct.
So, I tell you something, brother. Me vex, that me can't vex no more, man.
Where vex about?
What do you mean? That the American woman I come talk?
Don't, hold on. They say if I talk, me up on the live. Do not cuss no bad word.
No. Me not go to that, man.
Please.
Respect your show, man.
Yeah, man. Respect my show. Because what the man call and make one comment. And good thing me never put him on the speaker. Tell the man the figure SSC mother. Boy, vote for Trump. Duffy B. And I say, hold on, calm down, brother. What I'm telling you? Why don't I take it so hard? Go on, talk. Where is it now?
Me say, no, man. Me tell you something. Me never know, but me have to talk. Fear is
Fear. Where is about the American woman now? Because she cause only for idiot.
No, hold on, man. With that ego for American one, Japanese man, black, white, pink, purple, I don't care. You see, love, when you go in a relationship with love, and it a half and half. A half and half is supposed to be.
Hold on, say that again. We're not going to have a relationship with a woman with your love.
Relationship a half and half.
So it's supposed to be 50-50.
50-50. You take care of me, me take care of you. If one day me down, you're supposed to up. If you dey down one day, me supposed to up. You see in the 80s and 90s, man, when one thing a market in a cupboard, man, and two split the market, one bull man and two cut the bull in half, man. Then the type of relation there, me remember. Eh?
Mm-hmm.
You know, when you look at with the, alright, if you supposed to pay the whole of the rent then, or the whole of the, what you call it over there?
Mortgage.
Mortgage. If you supposed to pay all of the mortgage, why the ratchet when it come to sharing the house and then for no break up then she want half of that? She don't forget half of that. Well, she didn't put in anything in her mortgage.
No, she said she spend time clean up the house and all of that. And she want her, and she forget her all the money if you cheat on her.
Yo man, me say me vex up here. You know which part get me to when you ask her say if she make 5,000 make 2. And then the woman come talk about if you can pay it, well that's on you. Why she not living at the house too?
No, you know look like she living there too.
Me say, me I tell you, man, me say, me don't know, me never explode, man, when you start answer. Me say, me ask her whole more question, man.
I get her back on the show in one part 2.
No, man, she have to come back. MIXUP, she have to come back, man, and take some question, and you feed her some question, because we have to type it in and type what type of question to ask her. Because she's unfair. She's totally, that's not a relationship, man. That's a one-way street.
Wow.
I wish Jamaica, hold on, MIXUP boss. I wish Jamaica don't there with a woman here. I wish Jamaica don't stand by when you make $2,000, she make $5,000, and then you have to go put the $2,000 on the market. I'm not crazy, she crazy.
And she said if you have pitney and you do something wrong, and you have to leave your house, and when you left your house, you still have to pay a mortgage. That's right?
Listen, me as a Jamaican, let me tell you something, man. If me did go there even as a God Almighty Jamaican man, I would have disappeared.
So this is what me I say now. Maybe most of the guys that will come a foreign, they never know about how these black Americans stay, and when they be with them now, they realize that this is where them sign up to and they want to run off. So they run off left them.
This one no relationship thing. I'm scamming this. This one no love relationship when she attack. Like God, I'm scamming. Because one man from Canada, when call you, I'm hearing talking and say, the wife in there with you now is like, you know, it's a half and half, 50-50 split, and that ladies must be a one-sided lady or some.
So what you try is if you type of knowledge and mentality where she want to come in a relationship, now go work.
No man, you listen to me man, she know there, me can't believe I'm gonna go stand by and say the whole of the American them stay so. You know where you should get that? You should get one white lady come talk as well. You see if you get a black lady talk, you should get one white lady come talk as well.
You know, so I have one white lady friend in Florida. She used to call me, how do I can call her and ask her?
Yes, man, would love you to make a white lady talk, man.
So what would that be the difference? What you think would that be the difference? No, what you think would have achieved by talking to a black American or white American?
Because of the mentality, more find out the mentality and what is love nowadays. And love we are talking about. We are talking about half and half. We are talking about me I go work 1 week and me tired. You go chip in the next, you go work 1 week, and then that's how we split it right down in there. If something happen to you, you must pick up the slack.
So I could stick a pin. So 1 week can I get for work, 1 month can I get for go work, or you're sick. That means I should mortgage you the pay.
Yeah, me say I didn't question me burn when you ask her, me burned. Me say to me a burst man. Me say me want you question her and ask her more information man. You know, say that part, then me go figure say, why you not ask her that suppose if you don't for a week or you don't for 2 weeks? What you done me do? Just sit down around the house, up the rotted wall and look and have our 5,000 and come in and still not go pay the mortgage. Really and truly MIXUP boss, that you don't want, you know?
Alright, I'm gonna say this pan here. Jamaicans, American, alright, Jamaican woman who live in America or live in Canada or someplace England. I think they more accept 50-50 relationship because they want a man to bring something to the table and can balance.
MIXUP boss.
But hold on, what may I say? The raw born American, black American now, they think otherwise. Based on that what the lady there, I mean not talk for everybody. I know have some of them different, but I get to understand the majority because it's a man link me, I know. And I remember Errol always tell me say it's most of the mentality or them behave. Them feel entitled.
Errol come talk it.
No man, me and him have them discussion some time ago.
Oh, okay.
But for hear it out of somebody mouth now, it confirm what him did I say. You understand?
Listen, let me tell you personally, if me did go foreign and this happened to me, And you know what happened to if she said me I go rent, me I go and like out, me live fear house now.
No, she said she not care. Yeah, Mr. Twice, I want to fear and she said I don't care about that.
Listen, alright, you see same like how should have goddamn care. Who don't pay the money? Who don't
No, she said judge the order. She said judge or liar the order. Make a judge make a pay.
Judge and liar my backside. Which judge and liar come on? When me skip the state and go on next state, and if they find the next state, they find one of the island go. They find one of the island go. Now the backside they say, make the run at me and nobody run mix up. He's a Jamaican, but he's not that stupid. You take your own man and me and pay my rent and me have to go pay my mortgage. You don't know what is a Jamaican man. And love when I deal with that, when I deal with scamming. A scamming she I deal with. Love is love. If me down tomorrow, you up there that day. And if you down there that day, me I go work tomorrow.
Yeah.
That's the type of woman me want.
When you say I jump from state to state and go on next side,
I
man.
jump from state because she not get a God Almighty red sent. But I hope she listen to say, you know. I hope she listen.
She listen, man. She listen. Me see her name in the chat.
Listen to me, I would run from state to state, and even when they catch me run from state to state, me go on an island to island then. But you don't get a God Almighty reason. But you're a scammer. No relationship, no go so. Remember me tell her 50-50 thing. And she could, yo man, you better get her back on the show, man. I might hear it from that as well. I love what you deal with, man.
Yes, you do.
You upset when a man talks to me. Because this is not a relationship. This is no relationship thing.
Mm-hmm.
I believe in a fear and I believe in a law and fairness. If you up tomorrow, me supposed to if me down tomorrow, you up there that day.
Sure.
If you down there that day, me up there that day. That's how the thing to go.
Yeah.
No one of them no man. No one of them no one of them divorce rate high and them a look man all over the place. Because no man has to that.
True, man.
Right? No.
I know, so me tell her one away, me tell her, say, listen, me understand, say that your philosophy, but me I tell you, so majority of Jamaican man, they not stoop up to that, because they not go the way they love a 50-50 relationship.
MIXUP as in have nothing to do with Jamaican man, I just reality.
Oh, you know, have nothing to do with Jamaican. Yeah, but me say black American man, they mean. They not give a dollar, no?
No, sir. I don't agree with that, sir. I just reality me I deal with. Me no know how them stay, but I just reality me I deal with. Up, down tomorrow, you down tomorrow, me up the other day. Right? I saw me I deal with 50-50 thing. 50-50 partnership thing. Right? And that me have to say, because me have to come a long time I talk to you, you know.
Yeah, me say, because your name Dwight and you're single. And you look like...
Me and Jackie always do the cartoon with the monster mouth, you know?
With the monster mouth?
Yeah, man. They fight the fire monster mouth more than when me come in more than. Me come in now and then, but that one here will hit me 6 higher.
Oh, that one hit up. I can do back on next blog with her and say, oh, Lord God, you come out strong tonight, man. You come like, that one hurt you.
That one hurt me to the core, man. No, me don't want no woman like that. Whether a black woman or a white woman, me don't want no woman like that.
And this is what I'm going to say, Carla. This is what we do now. Whenever we're going to have a relationship, sit down, talk what you look for, talk what we're going to do, talk what's our plan, and then now. So if you're a man, if you run, alright, say this woman is a flawless, beautiful woman. You run on this through the looks and so you're gone in and married and thing, and then when you're married, you realize this is what she all about. Sit down, have a conversation about relationship, what you like, what you not like, what you expect the partner to bring to the table, what you expect to do. This is how we are going to manage the bills them. So you don't know what you're up against.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so that would solve most of the problem from day one. So you would have to go in at them something.
Me say this is your conversation. You need to have at least one 2 day with a conversation. Because me need to straighten out this right now. If I saw woman over there, so I think they're not going to find no man. No good man they're not going to find. Remember me tell you that. Because me not get a red cent. The law could have up a little bit more, she not get a red cent for me. Remember me tell you that.
Alright, Carla. Take it easy though. No, yeah.
Yeah man, I go on your live and listen to the comments.
Alright, cool. Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Yeah. And this is the next thing now. Majority of women now, in a 2025 can pay them mortgage and take care of themselves. Majority of women now independent. Majority of women now don't want a man to do nothing for them. They may just take the money from a man and them do what they do and that's it. You understand? So, I mean, to each his one still. She maybe can find a husband. Well, guys, so I need to from the caller there. Yeah. Anyway, I go see where I go on in singles. Sometimes I have one, I have two, I have three. When you don't send a text, send a voice message. There's so much we can find. We can listen.
Okay, hi Damien. I am deleted a number of these things because I just want to get it right, the right thing. So what I want to say is I am looking around for a mature lady to meet, share moments with, get to know, and see if we can go on to something more serious. I'm a green card holder. I currently live between Jamaica and Florida, but I'm going to make the permanent move to Florida shortly. Right? I am looking for somebody who was born in the 1960s, grew up in the 1970s, came of age in the 1980s, more than likely raised your family in the 1990s, 2000, 2010s. Are you seeking a soulmate to share, relate? Let's take some time to know each other. Let's see if we can make priceless memories together. Anyway, Damien has my contact details, so if you are interested, he can pass it on. But seriously, I looking for a serious relationship, not something frivolous at all. All right? And I'm not really interested in anybody that's seeking their papers that way. I am not interested that way. I have mine. I just want someone. If you don't, well, maybe, but I really would prefer someone that's genuine enough and not looking something, and with something to build together.
Damien, I know me can't get no number yet. me need one number, man. Send me a number, make me and the person talk up and we see each other. That's what is going on, man. Yeah.
All right, that's it for tonight. I did get some other numbers, but I don't know if I find them. I don't text me them back if I did text me. If I need seek somebody. Not the one that will come on it already. If I want to advise on notes on the depot. Alright guys, big up on yourself. Happy Friday. And thumbs up the live and tell me what you think about this topic. Very interested. You know, when we come after this, we're going to go back on it again. So, like the video. I'm out.